Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. I actually got this Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi a while back, right when I got the email notification of its arrival. You can see it shares the same footprint as the original Uno. But you can also see right away that it has its own ESP32S3 on board for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. And it has this 12x8 LED matrix. The Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi has increased memory and a faster clock speed. The 12-bit DAC, CAN bus, and op-amp provide additional capabilities. You can power the Uno R4 Wi-Fi with up to 24 volts at the barrel connector. And the Uno R4 Wi-Fi can act as an HID device when connected to your PC, mimicking a keyboard or mouse. The Quick Connector provides convenient access to quick-enabled I2C devices. Let's take the Uno R4 Wi-Fi out of the box. First, I really like the clear plastic sled that makes handling the Uno R4 Wi-Fi easier and helps to prevent shorting out pins on the bottom of the board. Here's that ESP32S3. That's the USB-C port for programming and using as an HID device. The 12x8 LED matrix looks exciting, and we will be checking this out in this video. This riser lets you program the ESP32S3 separately, if you're so inclined. The riser on the left lets you work with real time clock modules, keeping the RTC powered while the board is in a low-powered state. Obviously, there is the usual digital and analog pins lined up on both sides of the board. And there's the quick port. Let's power the Uno R4 Wi-Fi up and see what it does out of the box. Cool. Look for the link in the description below to the Uno R4 Wi-Fi docs page to help you get started. In Arduino IDE, we need to install the board package in Board Manager. Click on Tools, Board Manager, and once it is open, you can search for Uno R4 Wi-Fi. There we go. Click on Install. Now, this can take some time, so we will be cropping that out here. Okay. After a couple of minutes, the Uno R4 Wi-Fi board package is installed. We can close Board Manager now. We click Tools, Board, Arduino Renesas Uno R4 Boards, and then choose the Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Finally, we see the Arduino IDE has acknowledged the selection of the Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Let's check out the example sketches. You can see them under File, Examples, Examples for Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. We'll just be checking out the LED matrix examples today. The last example is pretty cool, so keep watching to the end. You can see there are a lot of other interesting example sketches here under Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. I'm just making sure I have selected the correct COM port in Arduino IDE. Then we load the first LED matrix sketch. Display single frame. The frames are stored in an associated include file. Otherwise, the script is remarkably simple, looping through the 4 different frames. We compile and upload the sketch. I'm curious to see the serial output, which appears to be the milliseconds from one frame to the next. And here is the LED matrix showing the 4 frames: chip, danger, happy, and heart. Up next is the Game of Life sketch. This animates 4 different patterns on the LED matrix: glider, lightweight spaceship, Arpentomino, and Die Hard. We can see the output in the serial monitor, and here the patterns are animated on the LED matrix. Live Preview is the next sketch, and this is cool. It works in conjunction with this web-based LED matrix editor that interacts with the serial port on your computer to display whatever you draw in the web-based LED matrix editor on the UNO R4 Wi-Fi LED matrix. You can download your designs as an include file. More on that later. Next is matrix frame buffer sketch. I guess I'll need to look closer at the sketch to see what it actually is doing, but it seems to randomly draw patterns on the LED matrix. Finally, let's look at this play animation sketch. This builds on what we saw in the live update sketch. You use the LED matrix editor to create an include file made up of multiple frames. I'm going to start with this frame. Pay attention to the number below the frame. That's how long the frame will be displayed in milliseconds. It seems to default to 66, and if I try to change it, it doesn't stick. Let's go ahead and make a few copies. Now we can edit each frame. Blink. Blink. Look right. Look left. Look ahead. And smile. Now download this sequence of frames as a file named Animation H. Let's manually edit the Animation H file to change the playback speed of each frame. That's in milliseconds, so I like 500 better than 66. Save the file and copy it back to the sketch folder and open the sketch. I'm checking to make sure the include file is correct. Now we can upload the sketch. Here you go. This is lots of fun. I'm looking forward to trying out the other features of the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Leave a comment down below on which features you would like to see more of. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my Arduino videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.